So never mind, I guess.
I think you might have to mute yourself, that one, but to be possible.
Yeah, like low key.
Yeah, server meet me then, I don't care.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We had a longer.
No.
That wasn't me.
Oh.
Guys, we're gonna have to pump P1 gigs of now cooldowns.
Again?
Oh, he's just fixing a texture on a Wigger.
Wait, can we just jump, honestly?
I thought no talking.
You're rats.
Thanks.
Thanks, Latte.
That love's so bricked up, man.
Shout out to Latti's crispy soak.
Nah.
What the fuck?
In Gromnack chat.
Push back to this gate. Pushback 3. Personal. Pushback 4.
Boss is Omega low.
Yep.
Don't hit it. Don't hit it.
Last pushback.
Don't hit it.
I'm so grieving.
Have a res.
I don't think there's a spark in the back though.
No, there's no.
Just heal your friends. We're still chilling, guys. Bergi, you're so safe right now.
It's
Go
soothing
behind the
him.
boss.
Can you hit a little bit? Just don't go to him.
Go behind the boss, Ash, or what?
Go hit, go hit. 3,
What?
2,
Hit the
Go
boss.
behind the boss.
push.
Push. Ooh, some milk
Oi!
at least.
Okay, focus up, focus up.
Fy fan.
You're rats.
Make sure
Rune
you
the fuck
buff
up.
Ash. Buff
Yeah,
Ash.
it's rune time now.
What's your opinion?
Why do we keep
Shut
doing
up,
this?
Doc.
4. Microphone activated. 2,
Spark
1.
will not.
Go rats.
Ref on red. Blue setting into MC. Go straight to the ruiner blue.
Fade red.
Pipe this a lot. Bait one more range on blue. Move. Get into MC.
Sniped.
Shot for me in melee.
Blue dodge.
That's a boss.
And we all pot wanna come over.
Microphone muted.
First is wave into bombs. Wave, and then get in range of roar. Bombs in 3. And sparks next. You can spread for wave. He's staying for healing. You start spreading for shield.
Don't move, whoever this is next to me.
Next is spark into wave. This is the blood offset. And spread for wave.
Microphone activated. Microphone muted.
And bombs. And wave soon. Then we get sparks into shield. This is the quick sparks. Get ready to spread. Spread, spread, spread.
Or 10 here, I don't have him in my ramp.
Alright, melee, remember to bait on gigs. And breath. Teleport in 3, you can be in the AMC melee. Don't slow these ads. And pipe the ads. Next breath is getting baited on the gateway. Breath.
Don't top.
First
Teleport
node,
2,
first node,
do
first
not touch
node.
these ads. Don't touch these ads. Ten seconds to kill these off. Ref soon. Ref.
Remember that.
3cc.
Thing, yeah.
I don't have bring.
Nice.
Dodge balls.
Right, let's get it.
Rune up if we have him, boys.
Remember the gate.
Milky
Get
on
to
Yeah.
Remember to
after the
pop
first
as well.
pull-in.
4, 3,
After the first pull-in, people who don't get the debuff are gonna gate. People who get the debuff are just gonna spread out.
Get us up.
Shoot sounds good.
First pull is going to purple. Make sure you watch the breath.
Or if you don't get this first one, you can also gate away.
Pull to purple. Make sure you wait for the debuff to actually come out before you press the gate. You
Press.
can gate.
Much time left soon.
Watch Yargi.
Next pull is going to the middle.
Slurp.
Pull to the middle. You're spreading for wave after.
First one you have some time at. No, this one. It's not time.
Spread. From the soak, you gather from blue. Next pull is going to purple, and this is the bombs where rogues are soaking.
Need to run here, we get our speed increase.
Pull to purple. This is Chrono Roar, and rogues are soaking.
Onyx is stabilize.
Next pull is going to the middle, and this one is personals.
Sock.
Pull to the middle. This is personals, you have a little bit of time to spread here.
It's one on all. Purple after.
No.
Tornado, yeah.
And spread for wave.
Slurp TD.
Go purple now,
And then
yeah?
you're playing next wave, and then you get the.
Oh, next wave,
purple.
okay.
So you're spreading for wave. Watch the breath.
Careful me, I'm on 11 stacks already.
Remember
Spread
the
for
race
wave.
is...
After wave, you get the purple. Get the purple, and if you do not get the debuff, you take the gateway.
Rank.
I mean shit, then I don't have a health bot.
Gateway.
Gate. And just throw reses now. Throw reses.
You get me up.
Soak
I'm gonna mega
boss.
cities.
Get spot.
Sure you
What's
soak.
time left?
Make sure you soak tornadoes.
Health pot.
Oh, AMC down.
Just pipe the boss. I think next thing is pull in, you just go under the boss for them.
Tornadoes, make sure we're soaking. Especially if you have low stacks.
Okay.
Pitches as well.
Make sure we're soaking here and then it's dead.
Bind the boss.
Fuck.
Big personal.
Keep soaking.
Keep soaking here.
I'm dead.
Keep soaking.
Fucking
on.
Nice.
Let's
Just
go.
like that. Just like
Good
that.
man.
Oh, there it is.
That's Yargi.
We might need to actually get the bow here.
That would actually gonna drop for sure.
Oh,
No.
We got the Desperate Codex.
That's racist to say.